Welcome back everyone to episode 3 of the 22 R1 series build. Today we got the Akrapovic Slip On Exhaust. We have the link pipe on order, but it's going to be here in a few days because I had to order from separate companies. So today we're just going to throw on the slip on, get rid of the stock muffler, and that's pretty much it. So if you're liking the series so far, please drop a like, subscribe for future episodes, and let's get to it. Now when you guys handle any sort of exhaust, especially titanium, either use gloves or make sure that you wipe it down with alcohol, WD-40. I think Akrapovic suggests WD-40 for their products so it doesn't damage their sticker. So we're going to throw some gloves on and throw it on.